And back with a quick follow-up for the budget gaming PC build. Just wanted to let you know I've been playing Borderlands 3 and Fortnite on 1080p highest quality settings, and I've been getting an average of 98.6 frames per second, which is quite good because I haven't done any modifications or overclocking or any tweaking of any kind on any settings. So pretty much out of the box, all default settings, I'm getting 100 frames per second as an average on 1080p high, which is quite good. So I'm definitely looking forward to tweaking some settings and even do some overclocking and see how that goes. But quite happy with the builds. Definitely recommended. I would definitely recommend going with AMD for the CPU. Best bang for the buck. Especially when you got, for the Ryzen 7, for its price point, you're getting 8 cores and 16 threads of CPU ability. You just can't beat it. I'm very happy with it. And even with the Radeon cards, quite good. I know a lot of people like NVIDIA, but I'm quite happy with the way the Radeon's playing for me so far, especially at the price point. It's been excellent. And I've also tried PlayStation Now on here, as well as the Xbox Game Pass, and everything runs beautifully. So far on default settings, I've been getting at least 100 frames per second on those two editions there. So I'm very, very happy with the build. Definitely recommend it. But anyways, please hit that like button, share, subscribe, and leave some comments. If you got some tips for me or if you need some help, reach out. I'll definitely answer back any questions. And I'll definitely be back with some more videos and even some videos with my kids where they'll be showing you some kid-safe games for your kids under 10, because my 2 kids are under 10. So we could definitely put that together as well for the parents out there. And thanks for watching. Take care.